As far as a day after Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's resignation is concerned, where political slugfest has continued and the war between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party over the announcement of the resignation has only stirred more controversies for the times to come. And right now, in the latest of it is the Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh, who has slammed the BJP after the BJP attacked the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, announcing that he's set to resign from the post of the Chief Minister, stating that BJP is a dishonest, shameless party. They have put false and baseless allegations on Arvind Kejriwal, and he in fact also added that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah have arrested him with the aim to end the Aam Aadmi Party's foundation and to do horse trading here, but failed to do so. Sanjay Singh also said that he is sure they will win again, stating that the people of Delhi will decide whether he is honest or guilty on Arvind Kejriwal, will bring a change to certificate from the public with the huge majority. Let's listen in to what Sanjay Singh has to say.
बीजेपी जो है वो एक बेशर्म झूठा पार्टी है। उसने झूठे और बेबुनियाद आरोप लगा के देश के प्रधानमंत्री और गृह मंत्री अमित शाह और नरेंद्र मोदी ने अरविंद केजरीवाल को गिरफ्तार किया आम आदमी पार्टी को खत्म करने के उद्देश्य से और यहां पर हॉर्स ट्रेडिंग खरीद फरोख्त करने के उद्देश्य से, लेकिन वो विफल हो गए। अब केजरीवाल जी जा रहे हैं, जनता से हम प्रमाण पत्र लेकर आएंगे। ईमानदार हैं या गुनहगार हैं, ये दिल्ली की जनता तय करेगी। और मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि प्रचंड बहुमत से, जैसे 67 और 62 सीट लेके 2 बार केजरीवाल जी जीते हैं, इसके पहले एक बार उन्होंने सरकार बनाई, 3 बार वो दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री रहे, इस बार भी वो प्रचंड बहुमत से जीत के आएंगे, जनता का प्रमाण पत्र लेकर आएंगे। भाजपा शासित एक राज्य बता दीजिए जहां शिक्षा फ्री, बिजली फ्री, पानी फ्री, इलाज फ्री, उसके बावजूद मुनाफे का बजट हो। दिल्ली में अरविंद केजरीवाल ने ईमानदारी से दिल्ली के लोगों की सेवा किया और सारे काम करके मुनाफे का बजट दिया।
इन आरोपों के बाद एक और चुनाव हुआ था, लोकसभा का चुनाव बीजेपी करी होगी, उसमें तो मैंडेट जनता ने दिया और आप हार गए।
देखिए, ऐसा है कि लोकसभा और विधानसभा का चुनाव अलग अलग तरीके से दिल्ली में होता रहा है। पहले भी लोकसभा के चुनाव में बीजेपी जीती है और ध्वस्त हुई है, विधानसभा के चुनाव में बुरी तरीके से पराजित हुई है विधानसभा के चुनाव में, तो इस बार भी वही होगा।
All right, Shubh joins me back on the broadcast. Shubh, of course, there is a rebuttal, as we talk about, from the party, Aam Aadmi Party, which has been at the center of the controversy ever. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has announced that he is going to resign from the CM post, and now the big question remains to be who gets to be the another face of the CM post in Delhi after Kejriwal. And also there are concerns over the front runners for the post, whether it's Atishi or Saurabh Bhardwaj or Mrs. Kejriwal as well. There are, of course, a suspense looming over the fact of the person who's going to take over the post of the CM post. But when you talk about Sanjay Singh, in fact, Sanjay Singh has been hitting back at the BJP, as, of course, the BJP in this moment has been attacking the Aam Aadmi Party. What are the latest that the Aam Aadmi Party sources, Shubh, are sharing with you?
Yes, definitely. Aam Aadmi Party sources are being telling that tomorrow there would be a meeting with Aam Aadmi Party MLAs. Arvind Kejriwal would be hosting that meeting. And in that meeting, the MLAs would give their names. They will give the preferences and with an absolute majority. Because see, whatever Arvind Kejriwal will want, it will happen. That is for sure. But all the MLAs will all together decide that what needs to be done in this part, and therefore the name would be announced. Because if we talk about the top leadership, so therefore Atishi have upper hand somehow, because Atishi is currently having 9 departments and also backed by Saurabh Bhardwaj, which is having 6 departments including health and Ministry of Culture, and Gopal Rai is also holding a department, environment affairs. And see, there are many, there are top 5 leadership of Aam Aadmi Party who is in the race of becoming the next CM. But Aam Aadmi Party being the most unpredictable and a surprising party, because yesterday we were not knowing that Arvind Kejriwal will give resignation, but in a political move this have happened. Because see, this time also the Aam Aadmi Party have been continuously slamming BJP because first of all they are saying that earlier the Bharatiya Janata Party have been demanding resignation, but if the resignation is being given, now they are claiming the false claims on the Aam Aadmi Party. But definitely Arvind Kejriwal have said that he himself and Manish Sisodia will not be on the CM race. They will go to the Delhi Heights. They will go knock the doors of every Delhi citizen, and therefore he will ask them. And when the voters of the Delhi will give them a praman patra, therefore this further course of action would be continued, and therefore he will fourth time become the chief minister if Aam Aadmi Party continues to win with absolute majority in the upcoming Delhi Vidhan Sabha elections. But also this move have been termed by masterstroke, because when Arvind Kejriwal was behind the bars for 6 months, he refused to give the resignation, and he have said that we will run the government behind the bars. But
All
this
right,
move have
Shobha.
come.
All right.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.